Hello guys, welcome to Teardown. We've been playing the campaign because I haven't played the campaign in forever and I lost the save I had. So, wonderful. Part 1. But I forgot literally half of what happens. Yes, I've played the game before. Die. Die. Fall down. Die. Come on. Come on. Yes. Die. Okay, we're just gonna go inside now. Actually, I have a better idea. Yes. Door. Door. Now we have a good door. Fire extinguisher. Cool. Yo-yo. Spray can. Smoke gun. Car. Place the fuse to turn on the power. Just gonna break this tree. Oh my god, I hate this. We did that. Die, you stupid tree. I hate the environment. Kill the tree. Okay, the tree. Now that we've destroyed the environment. Sorry, Mr. Beast. Okay, cool. We're done. Get me inside. Come inside and check my scissors. Stacy, cast spell. Actual just dropped on the floor. Yes, I'm gonna destroy the building. We're going to destroy the building. The old building problem. Can I destroy the van? We can't destroy the van. That's just sad. What does it say? It says it's a museum. This is a house. That's a mall. The food court. Okay, let's use the. Ooh, it's stove. Bye bye. I'm gonna kill the stove. Ooh, there's a car. I'm gonna use the construction equipment to construct. Oh no! Oh my god, I hate this game. Okay, let's go. Oh god, please don't. No! Okay, we're good. We didn't die. Okay. Bye-bye. Die. Yes. Yes, die. Ooh, fire. We need to start the fire. Come on, fire. Fire. We need a fire. Fire. Hate this. New fridge. Ugh. Destroy the fridge. Come on. Ow. Fridge. Fire. Start. Come on. Oh, I hear it. Epic. We're gonna burn the house down. Die. Come on. I'm not gonna use my fire extinguisher. I'm a building destroyer. That's there's no purpose of a fire extinguisher. Oh my! Did I just? Okay, come on, come on, come on! Not now. I'm gonna lose all the money. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Die! Yes. Okay, we're good. Okay, just get this out of here. Okay, come on. Okay, okay, we're good. Okay, I'm just gonna dispose of this construction building very environmentally safely and friendly. Yep, now the fishes should have an extra pound of oil inside their stomachs. Die. We need more propane. I love propane. I love inhaling propane. Okay. Oh my god, there's a tree in the way. I'm just gonna take the excavator. Ugh. Yep, die. Yep. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on now. Die. Okay, let's just die, 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 die. Burn. Okay, we destroyed the building. I gotta dispose of this too, just so the cops don't know of the wrecking. Hopefully that won't start a forest fire. And bye-bye. We destroyed the environment. Yay. Hello? What? Alarm? I hate you, alarm. It's still going off? Oh my god, I hate... How is it still going off? Okay, we're good. How are you still holding... How is that still on? Just gonna go upstairs. Hurry up. Just gonna drop the fridge. Yeah, come on. Come on, drop. Yep, come on. Get in there. Come on, drop. Die. Drop. Come on, drop. Yep. There we go. Oh, also, I'm gonna get a banana. Hold on. Oh my god. There's food here. Oh my, I can't get to it! Go from the top one. Okay, I can't get to it. No propane. I love propane. Propane's epic. Propane. Why is there a flip train car? Hold on. Let me fix that. Okay, we're good. Okay, wonderful. Why'd you... No, it can't roll back up or down uphill. And now I just can't get it to roll. Or should I roll it like this? Yeah, I give up. Ooh, my van. This is what I should destroy the... It's what I should get the banana from. Yep, sorry. Oh my god. Yep, die. Immediately. Yeah, I just give up. What's the next message? Cool, there's traffic. Cool, a favor. Ooh, I can steal Lee computers. Lee computers, the Lee computers. Why can't I drive? So there's one. So in the garage, this is. I could destroy this and I can drive it, but this one I can't even drive, and it's not. It's indestructible. I'm just gonna. Ooh, truck. Okay, where are the computers? I need to steal the computers. So there's one here. Okay, we need additional help to get this door open. Oh, it's in the meanwhile, we should just get some more oil in the ocean. For all the little fishies. Oh, destroy the oil. Make an oil spill. Yep. Come on. Come on. Yep. Yep. Just get in there. Okay. Just gotta get the computer. Come on. Where's the computer? Come on. Computer. Hello. Computer. Computer. Where's the computer? Oh, I think I see the computer. Okay, we got the computer. I just destroyed the whole building to get the computer. Okay. So we're just gonna. Okay, we're just gonna. Oh, come on! I'll just burn the building down. Ugh. Well, did I just... Actually, I have a better way. Come on. Yep. Come on. Yep. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my... Whoa. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, we need a different car. This one's just destroyed. Oh, cars. There's nothing in here. Nothing in here. Hello? 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 I think we need that truck back. Alright, I threw in the ocean. No, 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 I need this. Oh, come on. No. Can't even get the fishes to give more oil. Oh my god. Well, fine, we'll just get it the normal way that we intended to do it. Okay, where's the other one? In here. Office platform. Okay, alright, we can move it. Hello? Hello? How do we get up there? Oh my god. Oh, there's propane. Ooh, what's this? Yummy. I love stealing. Oh my god, I hate this shelf. It's just falling. Oh, come on! Computers! We need the compute. We need a computer. Computer! Oh my god. Okay, we got it. Ooh, money. Mission accomplished. Get to the escape vehicle. Hold on, I just gotta steal everything first, okay? What does it say? Do not turn off. I turned it off. Valuable! Oh, we should have used this. No, I'm just gonna wreck the building anyway. Oh, yep. Come on. Come on. I give up. We're just gonna drive through this building because I don't know. I'm too lazy. Yep. Yep. Drive through the door. Entering this building, we didn't even destroy the door. Seriously, how's this light on? Let's feed some magical powers to the fishes so they can survive. The mounds, the amounts of gallons of oil in the ocean. Oh, speaking of oil in the ocean, come on. Yep, get in there. Get in there. Oh, come on. No, please don't. Please don't tell me though I'm stuck in here. Hello? My car is stuck in the ground. How did that happen? And now I can't get. Oh my god! I just give up fully. Knock the power out. This goddamn game. Yay, we did it. Okay, we're inside. Why is there a bed sheet on here? We don't need. I hate bed sheets. Wait, this is drywall. Still gonna break it. Ooh, car! I'm gonna destroy the car. Die! We need the van back. We need it. Thank you. Yep. Just gonna do some repairs. Except we are in the Cars universe, so I'm gonna be just ramming into. We need a different car. Construction. Why is there an entire actual train car just sitting there? And we can't afford a better building. Why are we just leaving random crap in there? It's like leaving. It's like you just like going into some poor country and then just leaving your just Lamborghini just lying around. What is BT? You have to go back to the the login devices. Oh my god, we're stuck. It's locked. Yeah, I can tell. Why is there just a Q on the sign? Hello? How do we get... I hate this tree. I'm just gonna knock this tree down. Ooh, we can use the tree. I miss. I kept breaking the tree. Okay, we're good. Hello? Yeah. I don't care about your doors. Wait, how they repair that building? And that building, and this building, just in like 2 seconds. Ooh, gates. I love gates. How they repair the pipes too? Oh, they're installing metal doors. I see. It's gonna destroy all your plans. How? Fishies! Now the fishes will die and then you'll get arrested for animal abuse. What are we even getting? So we need to steal this. Oh right, they're on the timer. I forgot about that. I'm still gonna destroy a building because I'm bored. Yep, bye-bye building. I couldn't get around the space, so I'm just gonna kill you, Mr. Building. Okay, we can get inside this building. Oh, okay, we can. We can. I'm gonna use the spray can, so we can do like a marking. So like, okay, so we have to go here, all the way over here, and then we can go over there. Okay, I think I know a plan. So we're gonna start here. Should jump. Wait. Jump. And then we're gonna land here. Here. Then we're gonna over here. Where's the thing? Okay, we're gonna go over here. And it's, oh my god, I hate this. We're gonna, can we like jump on J? Oh, we can. And then we're gonna jump on here, and then it's right over here, so we're gonna just, oh come on! I need the propane tank. Or canister, whatever you want to call it. Perfect! Oh my god, I hate this. You can't crouch jump in this game. It doesn't work properly. It just squashes you to the ground. It's not what I want. Okay, so we do jump here, through this wall. How do we do this? I think we need another propane tank. I think I shot it too high. There we go. Oh my, I can't crouch jump. Okay, I can't jump. Okay. Jump! Yes, I did it! Ooh, valuable. And then we're just gonna go in here, break the door, because I hate doors. I hate doors. And then, oh right, I forgot about that. Okay, we're just gonna do this, and then steal that. How am I gonna do it? How am I gonna get over there? Oh wait, I have a plan. I need a car. I need a car. Okay, we got a car. So no, don't you dare! I swear to why? Do I have to restart this? Or is there just another car? I need another car. Yeah, I need to restart. I messed this up like in the worst way possible. Okay, so we can just jump over these bushes. Okay, now I need to get that out of the way and ruin their plans of existing. Okay. You are now being on 7. Yep, okay, that's good. Oh, I didn't think of this. Okay, we're good. Okay. Okay, I think I remember, so we'll just, okay, okay, we need, We need how do we get inside? Is this unlocked? That's locked. We're just gonna unlock it ourselves. Bye bye. Yep. Ow. Okay, we're good. Okay, I remember here. Jump over here. Land. Go. And then I land over there, and then yeah, I put a paint. I hate this. Wait. Oh my god, I hate this game. Okay, and it's right over. Right out here. We're just gonna put a X right there, so we know where to put the propane tank, so we can explode it. Okay, we need another one. I hate this. Okay, we did it. Maybe, I think. Okay, so we can. Oh my god, I need to get rid of that. Okay, and then we can just. Okay, we're good. Get these chairs out of the way, just in case. Yes, X, and then. Destroy the door. I hate doors. Die. Get this. Then go. We could go here. And oh, it's possible. So we just get in. Get in through here. Then we can acquire you, and then we can. And then oh yeah, I can just then go over here. We need a car so we can. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of this gate with this thing. Okay. Then we can then go through here, and we can jump on this, and then we can go to the bus of victory. Did I just say bus of victory? What is my brain saying? Okay. Okay, I think we know the plan. Okay, the plan is formalized. Now to use the alternative door. Okay, and go. Oh, quick save. Yeah, I should do that. We got it. We're good. Bro, that was so clean. Okay, go. I did it. Actually, epic. Son of a... Okay, we did one mistake. We're fine. We only lost like 2 nanoseconds. Go, 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 go. Oh, we got like 20 seconds to spare. Actually, go. We got 20 seconds to spare. We're safe from the FBI of FBI. New ink. Oh my god. Is it? It's a blowtorch. Oh my god. We have a blowtorch. Upgrade your tools. Oh my god. Blowtorch. Yes, please. I'm gonna get the banana. And I can use the blowtorch to... Yes. Now we can finally get the banana. 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 How do we get... How do... How do we... I hate this. It was just that will be it for the YouTube video. I will come back maybe a decade later, and I'm gonna emit some fumes. This is how cars like operate. Yeah, that's okay. Hold on. How did I miss that? Oh my god. Oh wait, this landed in the elevator? I missed it. It was gonna... How did I miss it that much? Okay, let's just... Bye. How is that still... Oh wait, we have to do something. Yep, come on. You won't do it. No walls. Do it, come on. No walls. Okay, we're good. Except, how is this light still on? I'm gonna... How? Well, car fumes exploded? How are you not dead? Okay, sledgehammer can break it, but not bash it. Okay, that's actually gonna be it for this video because like bye.